Hey YouTube, it is your favorite redhead here, Match Red. This is for educational purposes only. Today I am unboxing my new HP printer with a box of paper, and I am wearing this beige crop top with matching panties, my white pedicure and nails match. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, here we go. All right. I'm really excited about this. Cannot wait to start using it. I've got so many plans for this. So first we have the wire, and we're going to plug it into the socket here. There we go. Now it comes with an instruction manual, some ink. Perfect, because I am ready to get started. This is not coming up. Here we go. Alright. Here's some more paperwork. Oh, apologies for that. Here we go. Okay, take all of the paper and plastic off of it first. Here we go. Now I'm going to plug it in. And it's on. Okay, so now comes to the technical part, which I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. That was a long break for me anyway. 2 days. That's what happens when my ADHD kicks in and I run into redhead with tattoos who lives downstairs. So, yeah, let's see what kind of stories I can come up with now. So, I've got my HP printer situated now, finally. The issue was I wrote down the password and got completely flustered talking to someone. Yeah, like I am now. So now that I've finally got my HP printer set up, I cannot wait to start using it and writing about anything and everything. My own fantasies. So we'll see. Let me know what you think in the comments.